So part 9, students will apply Newton's third law of motion to explain the interaction between two objects. So remember, for the third law, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So if you push on a wall with a force of 10 newtons, the wall pushes back with an equal 10 newtons. Unless, of course, you break the wall or fall backwards. So this is what's going on, and this is part of how we deal with the safety features. If you drive your car into a wall, well, the force you apply to the wall is equal to the force the wall applies to you. This is part of the reason that so much movie physics is so bad. How many times have we seen in some action movie a person standing like they're in a wind tunnel on the top of a train, often a bullet train moving at incredibly high speeds, and the wind is blowing in their faces, but they heroically dredge forward, probably leaning at an angle. Well, they would feel some wind, but if they're on a bullet train that's moving at 300 kilometers an hour, the wind in their face is going to be a wind that's blowing them at 300 kilometers an hour. This is a hurricane. I don't care how far you lean forward, you are not staying on that train. You are airborne. This is what happens when movie producers ignore Newton's third law. James Bond, Indiana Jones, whichever character you're watching, is no longer on that train. I think the one movie I have ever seen that gets it right is The General, directed by Buster Keaton and Clyde Bruckman. It's from 1927. It is black and white. It is silent. It is also, according to the American Film Institute, one of the funniest movies of all time. When they put out their 100 funniest comedies of all time, that was top 20. I highly recommend it. It's also fairly short. It's 75 minutes. And it's in the public domain. So you can go legally find it on YouTube without having to worry. Anyway, so this was the third topic that we have. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.